to everyone. Came here and now I will show you some new tools I have already got today. Let's start from this guy. As you can see, this is a 1/4-inch ratchet, and here are the D12 1/2-inch sockets, which start from 20 and they continue till to 29, no skips. Every size which you can ever need is here. You can see the part numbers of it as well, and you can see the final price, the total price we gave for it. Very good price for the quality you get, I can guarantee it. But let's speak about this ratchet first of all. This is ELORA, made in Germany, a 1/4-inch ratchet, 4501D, the part number you can see here. This is their high-end ratchet when it comes to 1/4-inch ones, made in Germany, ELORA. It has push-through button, so it is very easy to attach the right sockets on it. This is factory greased, as you can see, and this is very important. Only the high quality tools are greased from factory. The handle is rubberized, and it sits in your hand very good. Now let's listen to it. It is 72 teeth, fine teeth or tooth ratchet, and as you can see, it sounds amazing. The head of it is whole metal, no plastic parts, and it feels very solid on your hand. And I want to say that when you work on your car under the hood, the 1/4-inch ratchet is the best way to use, the best choice, and you must have a good quality ratchet, and this ELORA one is very good one. I gave for it 35 euros without shipping. So guys, it is nice addition to my collection, and let's say that 35 euros is not cheap for the piece of the metal, which is 145 millimeters long. Very good ratchet, and I am happy that I have it in my garage now. Let's now I will try to attach the socket on it with one hand and see what will be the result. Also, and here we are. Socket is on its place. It is securely and sits very well. This is Allen made US socket, and once again want to mention that the sound that this ratchet deserves is just fantastic. Recommend to everyone. High quality, good made ratchet. ELORA tool is the same league in the same league as Stalwile, Ratchet, Gedore, Heiko, and that's all. So let's move on and speak about now the sockets. The 13 millimeters is the biggest deep well socket I have in my garage. These are the sizes that some sockets sets which I have skipped, and I bought them together from Germany. They came me from Berlin. These are made by Toptul. Toptul is very good reputed Taiwan tool maker, and here you can see how it looks from inside. It has original grease inside, and it is also very important to avoid some rust and other cosmetic defects. The finish of the socket is different from other Taiwan made sockets. If I compare it to the Gedor, nobody doubts that the Gedor is better. Simply it has more metal on it, it is longer, and the quality is better in Gedor. Gedor is 2 for life, but for the Toptul you will pay max 2 euros, and for this Gedor you will pay max 12 euros, and this is the difference. I was talking about the finish, and let's see the size 22, excuse me. The finish is very good. It is satin, not chromed, and half chromed and half satin, and it feels in your hand very good. Also, I mentioned that the walls are thinner, and it is very important when you are working on the tight places. And it is coated from inside as well. That is very good. The biggest deep socket, as I already said, is 30 in my collection, but from 90 till to 30 I have no 6 point, had not 6.1s, and now I have every big size on 6 points. And when you are working on rusty bolts and other stuff, 6 point is a go-to decision and choice. Here you can see the details. There are no videos on internet or on YouTube about Toptul sockets, and here I will show it on detail, and if anybody wants as well, you can purchase it. Very good finish for the price I gave for it. I'm very happy now. The one defect, I saw this here, but they were on the box without any materials, and it was damaged during transporting. They have no cosmetic defects as my tank tool or genuine socket have. I showed you in my previous videos that they have some cosmetic defects, and the Toptul ones don't. Also, I have female Torx in my collection, but the biggest one, the female Torx I have, it was 18, and now I added 24 half-inch as well, female Torx socket, and a 20 female Torx socket on my collection. Here you can see them, and now I have full set of the female Torx. Also, it is go-to option when you are working on European cars. And the last socket came to me from Germany. This is also female socket, but is long profile socket. In my garage I have, excuse me guys, this is now difficult to open this box with one hand, so I will shake the camera now, and sorry for this. You can listen something. sorry. So let's open this box, at least. Dirty car, not a big deal, I will wash it. Now it is raining in my country and city. So here are my go-to female Torx, and the biggest one is E80. This is 3/8 drive, and I added a half-inch as well in my collection. very soon I will get the half-inch socket rail, which is which will come to me from USA. This is Armstrong, and I will put the sockets on it and hang on the wall as well. So guys, this was a short video about my new purchase. If you like video, please subscribe, and let's move forward. I'm looking for 1,000 subscribers, and I really ask you to subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.